What's good? It's your boy DropThatBassTV. Today's video is going to be shad fishing. I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm recording this a whole different day. Like, this is like a week after me doing this, but I have a couple more videos that I'm going to share with y'all. Going crazy, catching a whole bunch of shad, just having a good time, helping my buddy out, trying to teach him how to get the flow of fishing down a little bit, which honestly I think shad fishing was kind of a good experience. But yeah, shad fishing is crazy. I'm definitely going to do it again next year. For the most part, they're still hitting, but I'm probably not going to do it till next year. I caught so many shad, y'all. Y'all definitely need to see this video, my next video, and the video after that. It is super, super crazy. But I'm gonna try to drop all of those as soon as I can. Like, if I can drop one, I'm gonna try to drop one obviously Saturday at 11 o'clock. I'm gonna try to drop one Wednesday at 11 o'clock, and I'm gonna try to drop the other one that Saturday at 11 o'clock. I'll try my best to get it going out faster, but I'm just like super, super busy right now, and I'm about to go on vacation too. I'm about to go fishing in Myrtle Beach, so make sure that y'all check that out. I'm gonna get some content on that. Might try ocean fishing, don't really know yet. I might, but let's see how that goes down there. I appreciate every single one of y'all for all the support. Make sure you go down and drop a comment. Make sure you go down and use the link for your first mystery tackle box. You can save $10 on your first mystery tackle box. Yeah, so let's do this shad fishing. I hope you all enjoy this. It is definitely a lot of fun. Y'all tell me what you think about shad fishing. I am releasing every single one that I get. Also, remember, I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you sub. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell. Stay updated with my videos. Once I hit 1,000 subs, hopefully I'll be able to do bigger and bigger giveaways. And I'm also probably gonna start getting in tournaments here soon. I got one of my buddies hitting me up, so yeah, we might do something crazy here soon. Who knows? But all right, I hope you all enjoy the video. I'm gonna get it started. Let's go. I'll go way out there. Huh? I said I can go way out there. I love Shimano's. Oh, I got one. Told you. Come on, buddy. Yeah, they do fight weird.
Come on, burn it.
Let's go.
Yep, that's a shad.
Oh.
See that lip.
Calm down. All right, how do I grab these things?
Just grip them.
From the top?
It doesn't matter.
Let's go. Flinging dirt everywhere. Let's go. Number one. Come on, buddy. Go on, get out of here. Did you? Yo, he flung dirt in my glasses.
But yeah, see, like, they just tapped that joint.
Yeah, that's crazy. Let's go. In the first 5 minutes. Hey, this is fun. Oh, I had another one. I had one. Just watch out over your head. I don't mind getting my shoes muddy. But if I catch a striper though, I might die. Oh, got one.
Let's go, baby. It's like that back to back when you grab, bro.
Let's go. Can you get a picture for me?
My phone's in my bag.
Oh.
Got one. Oh.
Did you?
Yeah. Got a couple of them.
But be free.
Yo, we was about to be doubled up.
Yeah, that's nasty.
What? Yeah, I know. I told
Is
you
he
they're
dead?
fragile.
Yeah, that was fun fighting him.
See? They fight different than bass.
Yeah, they do.
Yo, you're getting out there.
Well, that's what happens when you spend $190 on a reel.
Because I'm not snagged on it.
And I was kind of doing this too. I was like going and I would stop and then I would pick it back up.
Yeah.
Did you get one? Oh, I pulled it out.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
Oh, we almost doubled up.
I think that's where the school is in. Wherever we just were, we were together.
Yeah.
That's nice. You gonna get one on that cast?
Probably. Yep. Oh, nope. That's good. Yeah, I was literally fighting a human with a fishing rod.
Huh?
I was literally just fighting a human with a fishing rod. You ever seen that?
Oh, he got one.
Let's go. All right, bet. Watch, I'm gonna catch one now. Ready, Trent?
Double up.
Let's double up.
Got one.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's a decent sized dude. I just need to get one. Oh. Oh no, I missed it.
I can't even get a picture.
I had a bite too. Oh, you want the GoPro to see it?
Huh?
Want the GoPro to see it? I better not catch a catch one going backwards.
Let's go, boy.
Let's go. How many did you catch so far?
This is my first one.
How many did I get? Two?
2.
I had a bite too. That cast. That's crazy.
Let's go, boy.
Let's go. He's right there. You see him? He was at the bottom.
Oh, he's still right there.
Yeah. Oh, he's going over there. They're actually cool. I like how they swim.
He's coming to you, man.
While you're releasing?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little slow getting their breath back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They linger around a little bit.
Yeah.
Hang
I
out.
thought the first one died that I threw back in.
What's your guys' magic lure or color?
I'm just using the spoon. Yeah.
I'm using the silver spoon. You're using
I'm
what?
using a gold one.
Yeah. So we're using completely opposite.
I was using silver earlier.
I had a whole bunch of bites with this. Definitely.
Bites. That's the thing. Their mouths are so small. Like
Yeah.
they miss a lot.
Yeah.
I said, let's double up.
Yo, we almost kind of did. Like right when you brought him in, I had a bite. It was down that way. He sounds like a turbo.
Got one.
Let's go.
Oh, I just came off.
He just came off. No.
I seen him. You see him at the top of the water?
Nah.
See, I probably just licked his lip.
Ripping lips.
Follow me.
Yeah, I've caught in 2 crappie. Almost caught a catfish. About 6 bluegill. I think that's about it. Besides bass. Besides the 5,000 bass that I've caught. I went ham in the beginning of this year.
You're getting out there good. Shout out Shimano.
Yeah, shout out Shimano. SLXDC. I'm out here shad fishing with a Guggen rod. This is like definitely a bass fishing rod. See where I'm at?
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. I'm about to try this. Just get a little dingle.
That one.
Dude, let's go. What is that, 3?
Yeah.
Every time you catch it, name it off so we know in the video.
Oh
No!
it just came off. Did you see him?
No, I
I know
didn't
you
see
can
it.
tell how I was fighting him.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they're messing with the gold more right now.
I already lost one.
All right, let's switch.
Got one.
Let's go.
I see him. He's small.
Let's go.
He's come on.
Oh no.
Here's a little guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, where you at?
Just got to the city docks.
Hey, we're at Old Mill Park.
Are you?
Yeah, I caught 2 so far. The boy caught like what, 2 or 3?
2 and almost had 3. He fell off right here.
Yeah, he almost had 3, so we got 2 each. We've been here for like an hour.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I didn't hear nothing from you, so I just went out on the kayak.
Well, you can paddle your half over here if you want.
You ever paddle against current? I was thinking about it. I tried it at the beginning, and I was like, yeah, I'm done with this.
Well, I think we're gonna be here for the most part. You got my cell phone number?
No, I don't.
All right, I'm
If you
gonna.
send it to me,
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you. Hit me up on there.
Well.
What's good?
What's up? It's been a while.
You.
Y'all caught anything yet?
I got 2.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, he caught 2 or 3.
Yeah, that's what's up.
How you been, fool?
Doing good, Brian.
I didn't recognize you at first. I looked up and saw somebody, but I was like, I don't know who that is.
Got one.
Let's go.
He's small. He's small.
Let's go. Let's go. What is that? Is that a bluegill? You just smacked the crap out of it.
You saw that? That's another bass, bro.
Is it another bass?
Yeah.
That's funny. Hey, you slaying the bass today.
A1 hook set, boy. Huh?
You slaying him today. On me. You slaying the bass on me.
2 bass?
You just gonna let him go?
Yeah. Should we bait him?
Good. You got another rod?
Yeah, the Shakespeare.
Where's it at?
Behind you.
Use it. Set him up. If you
Live
want.
or dead?
I mean, he could be live and he could just do his thing wherever, or you can just throw him back, let him grow. He has a baby. It's just a bass. Bye-bye. Yo, this is crazy. This is behind a Walmart parking lot. We end up leaving that part of the Rappahannock River to get to this part of the Rappahannock River. One of my buddies told me to go down here, and we also picked up some more shad lures, shad darts and stuff, but this is crazy down here, yo. I feel like I'm walking through a freaking forest right now. Oh, I forgot my drink. Probably.
They got a fly in there. They got rod motors.
Probably her. Ooh, that chick. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room, baby. Yo, literally, somebody lives here. That's crazy. I'm just here to fish. Oh, back it up. Back it up.
All along the beach.
Yeah, there's plenty of room, like one person right there, one person right here.
Hey, y'all probably come right here. Boom, boom.
Somebody definitely lives in that though.
Yeah.
Yo, I just seen one jump.
That's good.
I just seen one jump.
Up there, I saw one jump.
You got your leader, right, Trent?
Yeah. Bro, I spent like 30 there. How much you spend?
Like 30.
Yeah. Yeah.
Credit.
I love funny how it's like broad, big, and then it has like that instead. It's like kitchen on the bottom. It's cheaper than trying to buy a house. Yeah. But you're gonna spend a lot of money though. Yeah, whatever it is, let's go out.
Yeah, I seen that. Oh, got one. Oh my God, that's a big one, boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Yo, that's like the same size as the last one I had.
Yo, he's purple.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, he's like purple and pretty.
Does it have a stripe down the side?
No.
Yeah, alright, but you have a Shad. I don't know if it's hickory or American. Oh yeah, he is purple. Look, so close the mouth. If he dies right here, he will be right here. First fish in a new spot. Let's go, Brian.
Let's go. That's gold.
Gold?
Gold.
I thought you said you used a super.
I switched it.
Oh. The spoon?
Yeah. Same one I've been using, little one.
Little one?
Yeah. Just fish it slow. Just fish it slow.
Yeah, hey, that's the best way with these guys.
Got another one? Oh, no! No! It came off. Come back.
Yeah, I told you, bro.
Yo.
Nothing past the pad. I'm just over here setting up.
Let's go. I stank like Shaddy. I smell like a Shaddy daddy. Got another one? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go! What is this, number 4?
Is it?
This is number 4. Yeah, because I got 2 at the other spot, and this is 4.
Oh yeah, so we're tied up on fish. That's your 4th Shad. I have 2 Shads.
I got his scales all on me.
Yeah, I know, they're fragile. Got one.
Let's go. Yo, and just retrieve it slow. Just retrieve it slow, like this.
Yeah, I got you.
And once you feel a bite,
They're fat.
once you feel a bite, just kind of like lift it up a little bit.
Get him on a GoPro, Brian. Chungus.
I thought I had another one. Oh, got another one. Oh, he came on done. He came on done. Yeah, these ones. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
It's a bass.
Is that a bass? Is that a rock bass?
Dang, we out here catching bass with spoons.
Yeah. You are. I haven't even caught a bass today. You caught more bass than I have, which is crazy.
Hey, hey, y'all put in the comments, bro, cause like what kind of bass is this? Is it just a smallmouth or what? Cause like look at the scales. Don't they look weird?
Yeah.
Or am I just tripping?
It does look kind of weird. Oh, I had a bite. Got him again. Yo.
What?
What is this? This is the smallest bass I've ever caught in my life, bro. Yo.
Hey, hungry, man.
Yo.
Small spoon. There we go. I'll watch them all.
Let's go. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
My boy going crazy.
Hey, man. I told you he only be fishing this type. I had an A-bite with the dart.
Yo, this is getting worse. You good? You good?
Yo.
You good, fool?
Yo. Yo, as long as my GoPro doesn't go in. Yo, I love my reactions though.
Yeah, the current is coming up higher and higher though. Like this part right here, we might not be able to get through. We're gonna have to walk around.
Yeah, it's literally just goes right here though.
There's like something right in front of us that's like, of course when I'm talking about it I get snagged on it.
Watch your step.
What?
That's that slippery part.
I think this hole was there.
Oh?
Got one?
Let's go! I'm like dropping him.
No, those guys. Oh. I got some in my bag, I think.
Oh, came off.
That one?
I did. I didn't set the hook hard enough.
My whole reel just got soaking wet. I hope that's not bad.
Oh?
Got one? Let's go.
Let's go. I don't even know how many I caught today, bro. I really don't. I lost count. I don't even know how many I have anymore. You could even get a Shimano, which is this, but not the bait caster. You can get a spinning reel. Oh, I don't know. Let's go. How far am I out there? Oh, it's a little bass.
Is it bass?
Yeah. Let's go. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Well, your boy DropThatBassTV is done dropping that shad. But that was a pretty fun day.
It was fun as.
It was fun as crap. I do not know how many shad I caught. I don't know how many he caught.
It was a blast though.
But we caught a whole bunch of little bass. What were they? White bass or what were they?
What were you saying? Yeah, white bass.
I think he was saying was white bass. Got a fish with a buddy that I haven't seen in forever, and then got a fish with my other buddies that just started fishing. But I'm gonna get on out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Take it easy. Peace.